way, Instagram is not working the same as TikTok, and TikTok booming more and more. It's really the space and the place for people to use more and for you to understand it, and then providing services for people that want to use it more, other than just creating the content. You can really get to even find a way to coach those people into creating those content. So it's a form of coaching again here, but the other side would be for you to help them organize those content online. I think that's about it for today. That was for you to be prepared for 2024, because it's gonna be a lot more. There's gonna be a lot ton of me here. I'm gonna go with more ideas for the content. So if you have any idea, anything that you want to hear more on this channel, definitely let me know down below, because I'm preparing all that content for next year just for you. So let me know more. I'm gonna start working with people in January. So if you have any need regarding you being more confident, regarding you being more into the online space here, understanding who you are in the light of God, just understanding who you are more and being aware of what you want to do, what you want, where you want to make a difference, definitely go back and get down all my information there down below, and we can work together. If we are great fit, everything is gonna be down below. That's for one. And the other part is gonna be for interviews. If you feel the need and you want to share your creative journey